का मजा ही कुछ और है। कहते हैं कि किस्मत खुदा लिखता है, लेकिन उसे मिटा के खुद गढ़ने का मजा ही कुछ और है। So, friends, good morning to you all. I Dikshu, student newsletter coordinator of TNP Cell GGST, currently pursuing my study in chemistry. I and my team would like to present a gracious welcome to you all, our chief guest, registrar sir, all overall placement coordinators, department placement coordinators, CCs, and other coordinators, and also everyone present in this virtual function. सुनकर दर्द अनसुना ऐसी उनकी आवाज नहीं, मिलकर भूल जाएं ऐसे कोई अल्फाज नहीं, किसी महफिल में छुप जाएं ऐसे इनके अंदाज नहीं, सूरज से रुकते हैं ये किस परिचय के मोहताज नहीं। I am extremely privileged to welcome our chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Tankeshwar, for joining us on this auspicious day. Teamwork coming together is beginning. Keeping together is process. Working together is success. Now, in this queue, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce you all with the student editorial team. Suraj Pandey from B Pharmacy Department, Dhruv Grover from BTech Printing Technology Department, Shaina Girdhar from B Pharmacy Department, Kamal from BSc Chemistry. ख्वाब देखो और रुक जाओ, हमने आपसे ही सीखा है। असंभव को संभव बनाओ, हमने आपसे ही सीखा है। मिलकर प्रयास करो, आजमा भी मुट्ठी में आ जाएगा। जिद करो और जीत जाओ, हमने आपसे ही सीखा है। चले थे कभी जमी पर, अगर आसमां तक पहुंच गए हैं, आपकी सरप्रस्ती में हम कहां से कहां तक पहुंच गए हैं। Now, I would like to invite Director Placements and Editor-in-Chief, staff man distinct vision and fountainhead of illuminating ideas and idol of knowledge and inspiration to all of us.
Okay. So thank you Dikshu. So first of all, I would like to welcome our today's chief guest, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Tankeshwar Kumar ji, worthy Registrar Dr. Avnish Verma ji, Professor Karampal Narwal ji, other training placement coordinator teachers, our department placement coordinators, and all the students. So this function is of releasing our quarterly newsletter of TNP Cell, and I am very pleased, I am very happy that with the efforts of our student editorial team, and this event has become a reality. So the printing of or publishing of this newsletter is just not a you can say advertisement of one department of our university, and there are a number of objectives behind starting this quarterly newsletter of TNP Cell. So here I would like to apprise you of those objectives which are behind publishing of this quarterly newsletter of TNP Cell. So first of all, this is an activity for the students, of the students, and by the students. So student editorial team has done very tremendous hard work to make this newsletter success. So the primary objective of this newsletter is to make our regular and potential recruiters aware about achievements and accomplishments of our university as a whole, and various facilities to students for their grooming. So like whatever activities we are running, so our recruiters should come to know that which facilities are being provided to our students for making them employable, making them making them basically empowered to compete with the students. So this is one very important objective of this newsletter. Second objective is to basically let the students know what is happening in industry, because one very important part of this newsletter is interaction with industry. So in that we publish the interview of some industry leaders. So through that interview, students will come to know that what are the demands, what are the expectations of the industry from the students. Similarly, a number of webinars are conducted. So whichever experts come for basically imparting the lecture, so this is recognition of those experts also. because their news is published in this newsletter. So this is sort of recognition also, and to make the present as well as our forthcoming students aware about various platforms being provided for their employment as well as employability. So this is also one of the objectives of this newsletter. And one objective is to keep our alumni connected with the industry, because we are planning to share this soft copy of this newsletter with our alumni also, so that they may come to know that whatever activities are going on in our university, how those are beneficial for the students. And because this student editorial team is working for this, so this is sort of skill enhancement for them also. And this is also one form of our structured record keeping and consolidation of 3 months activities and achievements of training placement cell as well as university as a whole. So these are various objectives, keeping which in mind this newsletter basically has been started. So I think I have apprised all of you about various objectives uh, for which we have basically started this newsletter. So again, I welcome our chief guest and Worthy registrar and all the teachers and students. Thanks a lot.
थैंक यू सर। नफरत भरी जिंदगी में कोई अरमान नहीं होता, बिना विश्वास के खुदा से फरमान नहीं होता। गुलदस्तों पुष्पों से करते हैं आदर अतिथियों का, मगर सच्ची भावनाओं के बिना कभी सम्मान नहीं होता। So with the true feeling of honor and respect, I would like to call Vice Chancellor Professor Takeshwar for the inauguration of the quarterly newsletter of TNP Sun. Now I request VC sir to say few words regarding this event.
Yes. First of all, I congratulate our Director Training Placement Cell for taking initiative to bring out this quarterly newsletter, and it is a first volume, and I am very happy to see what are the contents given in this. And we are basically focusing on the more and more student activities, because ultimately what we want is our students should be, such that they can find their life very easy in whatever the life part they are going to have in the future, whether they work for the corporate, whether they work for their own entrepreneur, or they work for any government organization, or whatever the field they have in their life, they should be successful. I think that their success can only come through way of the hard work, and the participation is one of the important parameter for becoming, the hardworking person. Unless until you participate in any of the activity, there will not be, getting the work form done. So it is one of the exercise being done is we are having this quarterly newsletter. I understand that many students must have been involved in this activity, and this activity, when it is a regular activity, and then everybody wants to, students would like to see their faces or their pictures in this newsletter in after 3 months. So their participation will also increase. So this is, I feel that this activity is very, very important in the sense that, you know, because it will encourage our student, it will motivate our student to participate in the activity as well as to bring out this, this newsletter every 3 months will be again a big exercise for the student, and it will be great learning for the students. I really thankful to the training placement cell and the team because we are carrying out various activities, and this kind of activity ultimately attract the industry, attract the employer to come to this university, and we are progressing day by day to that whatever we have set up our goal that we should see that overall students should be employable at least, right? Whether we are able to give a employment on the first instant or not, right? With the campus placement is just a first instant placement, and that is not that is not the ultimate. If you want to become, for example, IAS or something bigger, then you have to go independent of all the campus placements. That is not a campus placement at all, right? So, but we want that our students should be they should be able to, serve any society wherever they go, and they should be employable. And, such activities, whether it is through the training placement cell or through the chairperson, so they organize different activities, whether it's academic or whatever, that makes our students more learning more better and better. So I once again, with these words, I congratulate our director placement and his team and all the various students who participated in this newsletter, bringing out this newsletter. I hope that our next newsletter they will be preparing for it. They have already started the October, and it will be regular one. We should not, once sometime we start it and it ends, right, with first or 2, 3 volumes. It should not. It should continue. I would like to see this quarterly newsletter maybe after 10 years or so, whenever you get time. So this activity should continue and continue and continue. So I again thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for gracing this event with your presence and as well with your words. We will really we will match your expectations you are hoping from us. काश हाथ में होता तो आसमान देने को मन करता है, सिर झुक झुक कर जाता है, इतना मान देने को मन करता है. आपने तो बंजर जमीन में चंदन उगा दिए. So with these lines, may I call upon this virtual stage Assistant Director of Training and Placement Cell, Aditya Veer Singh, sir.
Thank you, Dikshu. Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, and Wadi Registrar, Director Training Placement Cell, and all the professors and students. I welcome you on this releasing function of our newsletter. So I'll just give you a brief info about this newsletter. What all we have like inside this newsletter. So I hope you are able to see the pages, right?
Aditya ji, go to the cover page.
Yes, sir, I'm going. I just got hanged. Just hold on. So this is the cover page as shown here. It's the name of the newsletter is TPC Chronicle, and it will be an quarterly newsletter, which is this is for July to September, and volume 1. So if we come on the second page, we have a message from our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir and our Director sir. So the second page is interaction with industry. In this page, we have interacted with the senior officers of the industry. Like this is Mr. Praneeth Kumar, head HR, Jindal Steels SR Limited. So he has given his inside information about the industry and his experiences. He has shared his experiences also. So the next page is internship and placements. We have covered like all the placement internship which has been done within this 3 months. It all has been mentioned here. Same is continuing on the next page also. This placement drives. 37 students of university got a job offer during July to September 2020, out of which 2 students got pre-placement offer of 2021 batch. Then comes the training programs, which has been done by the training and placement cell for the upliftment of the technical and soft skills of the students, like campus recruitment program and 3 weeks Python course, hands-on practice on Simulation X for the mechanical students. Then there's a series of programs which is being conducted by the training placement cell for the last 3-4 months, which is a virtual speakathons. This is kind of an online oratory competition. So a brief introduction about this also. Then we have been doing group discussions. Then this is GWOT, which means GJUST, weekly online aptitude test. On every Thursday of a week, we organize aptitude test for all the students. So these are some winners photographs with the like GWOT 13, 12, and this is a monthly coding test. We have made a group of students who are running this coders group, which organizes monthly coding test. Then we have paid for webinars, all the webinars on the life skills which we have organized. This Pankaj Asija ji, Anju Chawla ji, Neeru Hasija ji, Abhijit Bhattacharya ji, Professor Umesh Arya ji, and Sagar Amlani ji. The more of the webinars, panel discussion held on mental well-being, and other also technical webinars, smart nutritions, VLSI fabrications, IoT, scope of IT industry, and overview of future machine learning, other webinars, cloud technology, media literacy and fake news. Then this page has been dedicated to all the university accomplishments, like certificate of appreciation given to the university. Vice Chancellor got the honor, and the patents which has been done by our university professors. Then comes the last page is media gallery, where our news, university news are in the media. So we have published all these news here the last 3 months. So this is the last page of the newsletter. This was a brief introduction about the newsletter. What all things we have inculcated in that thing. Over to you, Dikshu.
Thank you, sir, for giving the briefing of the TPC Chronicle and touting and understanding us the message of TPC Chronicle, why we had designed this. मीठी बातें और चेहरे पर मुस्कान ऐसे ही अतिथि हैं हमारी महफिल की शान. So I feel very privileged to invite the respected registrar, sir, Dr. Amnish Kumar, on this virtual stage to share his views.
So you have to unmute yourself. Yes, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks for inviting me in this function, and I'm very much overwhelmed with this newsletter. I have read some of the pages of newsletter, and it has been written very nicely. So I must congratulate the director, the Aditya Veer Singh ji, and the other team of the placement cell for this a commendable work. As I had been in this training and placement some years back, and I know there were few sentences which were very much important, and you have covered all those things in your newsletter, what I have heard. See, there were IT DPM. We used to say IT DPM for the placement and training, and it is very much important component of the placement and training. So first I is has a triple I in it: industry institute interaction. So, and this is first, and you have covered it in the first page of yours, and you have interacted, because this is our first step in training and placement, that we go for the industries. First of all, we will interact them. The institute has other phenomena, industry has some different phenomena, because we used to concentrate on studies only, and industry is only the means a platform where you have to work, and you have to work efficiently. So other supporting documents before going for the placement is your training, and the second T is for training, IT DPM. So second T is for training. Then the training is very important. Training is important because you will train your students for this thing, and your students will come up with after the training, and they will prepare for the placement. So next is your drive. In case of drive, you will prepare, you will enhance the skill of the students. So those skills you will enhance with your, as you have shown in your this newsletter, virtual speakathon, group discussions, monthly coding test. This is also very important for the, since we are in a technical institute, and this coding test is also important. Not only you need to speak very clearly, you should be very much good in your coding coding field also. Then webinars are also very good for the other things. Means you will interact with the students, you will come to know that what type of students you have, what types of stuff you have, and after judging the stuff, you will put all those biodatas of the student to the industries. Then there is a when you are prepared with all these things, and you have fully loaded guns in your arms, then you go for the placement. And placement is not your final goal. So in this ITDP, after the drive, you go for the placement. So placement is very important, because if your students are getting placed within the period of the time, and if they are getting placement regularly, then your efficiency shows out of this, and your institute will grow. So everything depends upon the placement. Again, when the last batch has been passed out, the next admissions has to come. All those things depends upon your placement. So after that, when you complete your placement, the last is M, and M stand for your media. As I can see in your newsletter, the last page is on the media. So when I was going through your this newsletter, I found that you have covered all the nick and corner of the placement training and placement. You have not means left behind anything. So I must congratulate you, and I'm very happy. And I think you will keep on working like this only, and our university will come to a bigger stage where we are here. From here, we will go and we will rise to bigger heights. Thank you very much for inviting me. And I am congratulating on the eve of your volume 1.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your these kind of motivating words. ईश्वर ने भी कितने कीमती रत्न गिनती के ही बनाए हैं, उन रत्नों में सबसे कीमती आसमानी बीच आए हैं. So with these lines, I would like to invite our next guest of honor, Professor Karampal sir, to say few words regarding this event.
Respected Vice Chancellor, worthy Registrar and esteemed Director Placement, Sri Pratapji, Adityaveer, and the dedicated team of our students who are taking care of placement activities and all these on the campus of this university. Everything has been said about it, and the Vice Chancellor and Registrar has elaborated about the importance of newsletter and the way our dedicated team is doing. Certainly, it goes without saying the placement is a very important activity for any excellent academic institutions. And since our university is just 25-year-old, and in the 25 year of age, the university has done tremendous, in many sphere of academics, including teaching, research, and placement. Now we are moving from the silver jubilee to the golden jubilee era. So therefore, placement would take us a big leap, a big benefit, or a big rise if our training and placement activities are, taken full care. And I am sure the kind of efforts our placement team is putting in and day out, it is yielding the desired output, and placement activities are growing with a high speed. And we look forward and happy to be associated with all such events. With this, I wish the team all the best, and I heartily congratulate the Director Placement and his dedicated team for doing nice activities in training and placement. And especially, I congratulate the editorial board of this newsletter who has brought this. And I hope, despite with COVID-19, they have brought it in time, and this is very important, the kind of dedication they are showing. So I wish all of you all the best. Thank you very much for making me the part of this event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words for us. Now it's time to listen to the experiences felt by students' editorial team.
Just a moment.
So
Just a moment. I would request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, and Worthy Registrar, sir, and Director, sir, to hold the magazine in front of you so that we can have a good photograph of this. Registrar, sir, is there? Done, sir. Registrar, sir, is there? Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Yes, Dikshu, please carry on.
So firstly, I'm glad to invite Suraj to share his experience.
Good morning, respected sir, respected Pratap sir, Vice Chancellor sir, Kamalpal sir, and Registrar sir. I am Suraj from B Pharmacy, third year. I am student editor of this magazine. The thing is, I have started designing magazine 6 years ago, but due to some reasons, I have left this. So after 6 years, I have got chance to design this magazine, and with the team effort, we have done this. During my exams, also my team helped me in designing or in taking time to design this magazine. I am very thankful to my team. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Suraj. Really, you did a great job. From this, I came to know about your patience and dedication. Next, we look forward for the presence of Dhruv Grover.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Dhruv.
Yeah, you are audible, Dhruv.
First of all, thank you, Dikshu, for just giving me such an opportunity. And first of all, I would like to extend my gratitude towards the one and all present here, my mentors, my teammates, and our top of the list, VC sir. In my experience, under the guidance of Pratap sir and Aditya V sir, it was great learning. I remember when I asked about perks to Bhikshu, what will be the perks, but now I know what perks actually mean. The honor which I will count as a perk is just the guidance of our mentors and patience amongst the team. Well, at last, I will not take a lot of your time. So I would like to thank all whoever been here today and have a nice day.
Thank you, Dhruv. You are hardworking and always ready with unique ideas. Thank you so much. It will now be the turn of Shaina Girdar.
Hello everyone. Good morning all the teachers present here. VC sir, Rajistha sir, Aditya V sir, and Pratap Malik sir. It was a great opportunity for me. I have never done this kind of work earlier, but thank you for giving me this kind of opportunity to work on the newsletter and my team members, Suraj, Dhruv, Dikshu. I have learned a lot from you all, and I'm ready to learn a lot more from you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shaina. Really, you had great skills. Now I would like to invite Komal.
Hello everyone. A very good morning to all of you. I'm Komal, student editor. I feel very privileged to tell you about experience I had during this work. I had learned a lot from this work. Our whole team had worked together, and due to combined efforts of team and TNP Cell today, we had released volume 1 of TPC Chronicle newsletter. We had to face lots of problems, but we work together under the guidance of editor-in-chief and advisor. Now, thank you everyone. I congratulate Training and Placement Cell for launching their newsletter. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Komal. So on
Shaina,
the
I would
behalf,
like you to speak on your experiences.
Shaina, you are getting second chance.
Thank you so much for this. Uh, I have never edited any kind of article earlier. I am not that much good in English, but yes, this helped me a lot to improve my English and a lot more. So yeah, thank you everyone for this chance, and yeah, I have learned a lot.
And Dikshu, about your experiences also.
If I told about my experiences, I really learned a lot from you. And what the main thing I had learned is the time management. The managing of the 2 or 3 things more parallel with your studies, and managing with you and coordinating with you all every time, connecting with you gives a lot. And I have learned a lot from my team. My team is really hardworking. Whenever and at the time, I have called them at the midnight, they answered me, and they never told that they can't do this work. They always told me that they can manage, they will do it. There can be little delay, but they will say no to this work. I'm really privileged to have this team with me, and I also pay heartily thanks to TNP Cell for giving me this opportunity to being the student newsletter coordinator for this session. I really say, and I must say, that we will match with your expectations, and we will work hard throughout this year for bringing the better newsletter of TNP Cell. Thank you.
We can issue say thanks to all, and then we can wind up this session.
Okay, sir. So on the behalf of Training and Placement Cell, I, Dikshu, Student Newsletter Coordinator,
Aditya ji,
was vote of thanks. I thank Kapil sir for sparkling our event. Additionally, I thank to my team for their hard work and Pratap, editor-in-chief, and Aditya sir, assistant editor TNP Cell, in bringing this newsletter, DPC Chronicle. I also thank to all the DPCs, OPC, coordinators, and other students who had joined us today. At last, I thank everyone present in this meeting and this function for giving us your time and patience.
Thank you.
At last, I want to say 2 or 3 lines from Training and Placement Cell. सबके लबों पर एक दिन तेरा ही नाम होगा, हर कदम पे दुनिया का तेरा सलाम हुआ, हर मुसीबत का सामना तू डट कर कर, हर मुसीबत का सामना तू डट कर कर, देखना समय एक दिन तेरा भी नाम होगा.
I think it's time we wind up this. Thank you, Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir and Vadi Registrar Sir for being present here, Professor Karampal Sir. So, thank you very much. Thank you. We'll take your permission, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Finish.